go. That. Just take the 10. That's the rear side of the 10. Zoom in on the lot number. Interesting. Let's get the scale. Pause it for a second. I'm going to get the Weight Watcher scale to weigh that.
I'm going to pause it. It's going to stop it.
Okay. So don't. So just film that. I'm going to go ahead and get the scale. That feels very light. I just want to see if it's actually an ounce.
Did you find it? It's on the far desk.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Let's just weigh this real quick because that feels a little light. It might be fine, but it certainly looks light unless it's just more condensed than normal. Okay. Usually it comes out at 1.1 to 1.2 with the plastic. This is right at 1.0. So weight-wise, it seems to be okay. Let's look at the appearance in a dry state. Ooh, it's very short. Look at the difference.
Mm-hmm.
The Roland is very, very short. Cut, you know, these are what usually is segregated out when they're packing the good quality ISO 1, which is on the right. Nice long threads. The Stigmata have the bigger heads on them. The Roland has far fewer Stigmata. You can tell even in the dry state. And what we'll do is an immersion with a pinch of each. Okay, we'll do the Occidental product, which is from Antonio Pina Diaz in Novelda, Spain. And then we'll do the Roland, although these are so smaller in the pinch, because the threads are smaller, we have to add a little bit more. Try to even it out approximately there. Okay. So that is the Roland product on the left and Occidental product on the right. And here, I'll take that. I think we're good now. Interesting. Look at that. You can see.
They're all falling down.
Well, in the Roland product,
Get them at eye level.
is already turning the water orange
Right,
very
so-
quickly within 30 seconds of immersion, which is a very bad sign.
And you can see them all dropping down.
The Occidental product, which is Pina brand, that's our lot 6545, is on the right. ISO category 1, as you can see, is starting to turn the water yellow, very gradually yellow, which is what pure saffron is supposed to do. The Roland product is very quickly turning the water orange, and I suspect in another couple of minutes that water will probably be red, which is a very bad sign. This is 60 seconds from immersion. and the water is notably discolored. The yellow color water on the right is what you want to see with pure saffron. And this is not what you want to see on the left. Furthermore, inspection of the threads in the water about 1.5 minutes after immersion, the Occidental product is nearly purely stigmata. I'm only able to identify a couple of threads that could be stamen or style. Clearly over 95% of the threads, closer to 100%, are actually stigmata that retain their shape in the water, they retain their deep burgundy color, and the shape includes the head. Following up on the comparison of the Roland Saffron item 70414, lot 324, with Occidental Foods Pina brand saffron from Antonio Pina Diaz, Novelda, Spain, lot 6545. We're just following up on the quality difference, which is stark. The Pina product is pure saffron, conforms to ISO category 1, and has turned to the water a beautiful yellow color. The Roland 70414, lot 324, is clearly adulterated product in a dry state, unsatisfactory quality, clearly not ISO category 1, very short cut pieces that should have been segregated out, used for grinding, but the product is comprised mostly of that. But clearly after the water test, we see that most of the threads are not even saffron stigmata at all. It appears that less than 20% of the threads in the Roland product are actual stigmata. In addition to the discoloration that appeared immediately upon immersion, within 1 to 2 minutes of immersion, it was clear that most of the threads were not stigmata. Now you can see, after 5 minutes of immersion, multiple threads are clearly swollen of the off-color, off-white threads. They appear to have grown wings. That is an indication that there was adulteration involving coating it with something to gain the weight in the product, to make it, to increase the density, to be able to reach that full ounce weight, but without increasing the quantity of actual saffron in it.